Looking to refine your rotation for backstroke and freestyle at the same time? This video, I'm going to show you a quick drill you can add to your practice that will help improve your feel and improve your freestyle kick. Hey swimmers, welcome back to the SWIMVICE channel. I'm Coach Mandy, and today's quick tip video is on a simple drill that you can start incorporating to practice that will help not only improve your rotation, but also your kick. Now, before I get started, if you are new to the channel or you've been watching my content, be sure to hit the subscribe button below. That way you stay notified for new and exciting content weekly and you support the channel. All right, let's get into it. So this drill I call the Streamline Roll, and it involves streamlining on your back with a light flutter kick and rotating from your hips onto your freestyle streamline and repeating this across the pool. When practicing the rotation, it occurs from your hips, so this drill will help you force to actually move that rotation primarily from your hips, and I'll explain further along in this video. When practicing, it's ideal to keep a light flutter kick, keeping your feet slightly pigeon-toed in. And once you start to actually rotate, you'll end up quieting your legs and using one singular kick to rotate you onto your back and also onto your stomach. For example, here I'm kicking upwards with my left foot, which ends up rotating me onto my freestyle streamline in a counterclockwise direction. Next, if I rotate onto my back again, I will use my right kick down from my hip and the top of my foot, which will automatically rotate me onto my backstroke streamline. So this drill helps incorporate that feeling of the power of your hip rotation and also the shape of your legs when kicking, both on your back and also in your freestyle streamline. The key to help you feel this drill along the surface of the water is to align your body on the surface as you practice. If you're in your backstroke streamline, be sure to push your hips up by focusing on engaging your glutes, which will help align you on the surface as well. So as long as your body is rotating as one unit, you're keeping your neck relaxed, it's much easier to be able to rotate on your back without any issues. If you feel that you struggle rotating onto your back, most likely you have too much neck tension and you're looking at your feet, which then compacts the movement, puts you in a moment of flexion. You want to think extend, feeling that hip rotation as you see here, keeping everything nice and lengthened, which will overall improve your kick. As an option, you can wear fins, but I would tread lightly with using fins as it can be very easy to start swimming with them. So I would just incorporate them in small doses, but try and practice this drill without fins. That way you get a feel of the hip rotation in your kick without any tools. All right, swimmers, so you can start incorporating this drill the next time you go to the pool and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Now, if you're watching this video and you're still struggling with just staying aligned on the surface, being able to swim easy, whether it's freestyle or backstroke, hit the pinned comments below and access my SWIMVICE program today. I have detailed video courses on how to execute a 2B kick, freestyle efficiency, speed, backstroke, and turns, and so much more. You could also visit swimvice.com for other resources to help with your practice. All right, swimmers, enjoy your practice, and I will see you all next week.